Welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals on Monday the 9th of May with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antech Markets. Moving on to dollar yen, and we've had this rally on dollar yen. It's continuing today. It sort of had a bit of a pause for thought towards the end of last week, with sort of 2 or 3 candles in a row really sort of failing underneath that 107.60 to 107.80 resistance band that was the old support. But now we're sort of pushing through that 107.90 as we speak. I still look at this and think that this is going to be a rally that gets sold into ultimately, but obviously the move above 107.80 continues that recovery now. So you start to think about the next levels of resistance, and here we go on the hourly chart where you can see that sort of level of resistance that has been broken through in the last few hours. As you can see here, there's the 2 lows, and you're now looking at the next overhead level, and the next overhead level is 108.70. Minor pivot band from the April trading, and then you're sort of looking up at 109.70. So between 108.70 and 109.70 effectively are the next sort of levels of resistance coming in. So a couple of levels for you to work with there, but you're sort of looking on the sort of medium to longer term aspect of this. You think, well, lower highs, lower lows throughout, consistent failure in the rallies. The RSI is unwinding. It's back at 42 now. I mean, there is you would argue a bullish divergence or a positive divergence in the RSI, but I don't really think it's something to get too worked up about, really, because you've not really seen it in the other momentum indicators, which are still negatively configured, although they are reflective of a slightly improving near-term outlook. I just think that today what we're seeing is a bit of a continuation of this sort of dollar rally, but I don't necessarily think it's a dollar rally that we can overly trust. Certainly not yet, anyway. And I think it's just unwinding the sort of negative outlook on the dollar yen that will ultimately, I think, give you another chance to sell. So I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar yen today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.